rose and gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Wagwan.
Everything is everything, but we're going to get straight into our hot topics, starting it off with Kim Kardashian. Now, Kim Kardashian was speaking about how women should get to work, and we just want to say, for Kim, you're doing good right now. And second of all, you're a hustler. You haven't really worked, but all you've done is hustle. We're going to move into our next hot topic with Kanye West. Now, Kanye West is quiet right now.
Which is good. That's a good thing. So Kanye, you might have a chance to get Kim back because we know Peter Davis won't last long, but Kanye, the best way to do it is still
That's how it should be. These were all of our hot topics for today, but before we cut it off, we're quickly going to talk about how we saw the movie The Adam Project with Ryan Reynolds. Now, this film was a 10 out of 10 in my opinion.
It was really good.
All of Ryan Reynolds' films are spectacular. So if you guys haven't watched this film, make sure to see it. And in the front of the theater, it must have been a really good film because they were saying that they don't want confetti brought into the theater.
Yes, that's true. And he was really good in this movie too. The director really did good in directing this. We already know Ryan Reynolds is a pro. Like IK said, all of his movies are going to be good. But this movie was fantastic. So Let's close it up, IK.
These were all of our hot topics for today.
Go ahead and bring it into our She's Hot contest. For this week's She's Hot winner, it's none other than Miss
Jennifer Gardner.
That's right.
Now, guys, we really want to congratulate Miss Jennifer Gardner on this because she's been playing it since the very beginning.
That's right. She's really making a comeback. She did it strong, and we liked her in this movie too. Go see it.
She was born in Houston, Texas, just as a little bit of insight. But these are all of our hot topics and our She's Hot winner for this week.
Congratulations, Miss Jennifer Gardner.
Congratulations on your win, Miss Jennifer Gardner.
Make it stop.
Without.